Make a sterile finger prick about 3 to 4 mm deep. Once the blood drop appears, you have to touch the one end of the capillary at the blood drop, and other end of the capillary should be held lower down, which allow the free flow of the blood from the one end of the capillary. See this. Once the capillary is filled with blood, start the stopwatch and note the time. Then, at every 30-second interval, you have to break the capillary and check for the appearance of the fibrin thread. This is how broken pieces of capillaries look like. At every 30-second interval, capillary is broken. See the fibrin thread? Once the fibrin thread is formed, it will look like this.
Prep Clinic. Dream Beyond.